After a coffee run and a quick stop at the card shop, today we are working on this. It's the Dodge Journey that we are actually going to be giving to my stepdaughter. Needs a lot of work, but we'll dive into that in a second. With the Journey, we've got an exhaust, an oil pan, rotors, pads, a caliper, a brake line, gaskets, I just hit my head, and new brake fluid. We're gonna do a whole flush, new oil, get it all good to go so she doesn't have to worry about it. Start with actually draining the rear brakes with a little tool that I got for Christmas. All right, with the tool, let's see, it's just a squeeze and it starts pulling it out. Okay, now that we're onto the fronts, I'm gonna see if I can get any more brake fluid out of the front. You may be wondering, why are we replacing the caliper? It sticks to the point where the car will not move. There ain't much coming out. It's a good sign for me since I gotta also replace the brake line. Hello. Now with this taken off, ooh. I think they sent me the wrong brake line. Hey, the first video got 25 views. That gives me some kind of motivation. With some random people saying that they like the Saab more than the Audi, so I win. It's also still just awkward talking to a camera with nobody there.
Remember, you're just talking to one of your many voices in your head, that's all.
I don't have voices in my head.
You're teaching
I'm not like outgoing, and I'm not teaching anyone shit. This ain't no video tutorial. As you can see, connects up there, has a bracket in the middle. This one has it all on the end. And the picture online, which I'll throw up here, was definitely the correct one. So I'm not sure why I got sent the wrong part. So now we're at a point where the rotor needs to come off, the bracket came off, the caliper came off. Still need to replace the caliper, which I do have behind me. But now we need to whack this because I don't use anti-seize because I'm an idiot. And as much as everyone does shit on this car, I am very sad to see it gone. It's nice being bald for when you work on cars because you can easily shower it off, but it sucks when it's sunny and you burn very easily. I'm at a point where we're gonna start to button it up so I can get the brake line back on because I can't remember how it went. Give it the good old ugga-dugga mix. I did manage to find the ratcheting one, so that's good. So now I can hopefully speed this up a little bit because this shouldn't take this long. Take the caliper off, throw the pads in, put the wheel on for now, go to the other side, do the rotors and the pads, bleed the system, brakes are done. Then we still have the oil pan, the exhaust, doing the oil change. There's some regret. Loosen the top and undo the bottom. Okay, now that's all done. Now the caliper can go back on. If I remember what I did with the bolts. We're gonna shift gears a little bit. I'm going to actually bleed the brakes, starting with this one here. You always work from the reservoir furthest away to the closest. So I know I emptied some fluid out of this one earlier, but now we're gonna go back through, add fluid, and get it bled properly. I have the tool from Harbor Freight. Reservoir is topped up, so we'll go up to 15-ish PSI. Went a little above. That's okay. Somewhere around here, right here, is my wrench for us to crack this open. Okay, I did go check. There's plenty of fluid in there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut, run some music, and just try and get through this. So we've done all the brake bleeding at this point, except for this one. we went with the tried and true method of have someone sit in the car, pump the brakes. Because of that pump from Harbor Freight, don't buy it. It's not good at all. So, on to the last one before we do the brakes on this side. Go ahead, Jane. Brake bleeding is now done. Now we just have to replace the rotors and the pads on this side. And we still have the exhaust and the oil pan. That's probably going to be a tomorrow project. All right, so now it's super basic. We're going to just repeat the same thing as the other side instead of walking you guys through it. Let's just speed run it.
I've never been exposed like this before. I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way of keeping closed. Being hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name. Your name. Tell me how you're feeling since you got me out in the open. Now I'm ready to dive in. I know you told you it would thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name. Calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name. Been in hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name, your name, calling out your name, your name, calling out your through the night and morning, when the rain is pouring, you're the one I'm calling. You're my escape from my darkest days. And when the sun is shining, you know we out here riding, chasing the horizon with you. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain, only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, it goes like.
So I'm calling it good there. It's getting dark, kinda, but it's getting cold. It was nice and warm at about 55, but I think it's time to call it a night. All the brakes are done. They're all bled. Everything's replaced. The only thing that we have left is the exhaust and the oil pan, which will be done tomorrow, plus an oil change, plus a detail. The detail thing I'm gonna leave to my husband. But on that note, see you tomorrow. All right, so we're back with another day with finishing the journey. Oil pan and the exhaust are next with an oil change. This time I do have help from Powell, so hopefully we can get this done quick so then we can get it detailed and get it brought over to my daughter. So I think what we're gonna do first is we're gonna do the exhaust first, get the downpipe replaced, and we're replacing the downpipe because it has a check engine light. We tried replacing the O2 sensors, but both O2 sensors tested fine. So we're just gonna replace the entire exhaust, and we're gonna see if that will clear the check engine light. So that way, Allie doesn't have to worry about it anymore. If we had like a really long extension, that would be fantastic. Anything to get the job done. So we've replaced the exhaust manifold on this car before, and when we did, we had to take the heat shield off, and we were stuck putting the heat shield back on for probably a majority of the day, just because we couldn't get it to line up right. So now we get to struggle again.
Find it, a love that feels so perfect. I can't even
it's a little rusty.
And he said a solid couple of whacks wouldn't get this off. Mount.
Yeah.
Hey!
Let's go! It's like a reward. Damn, fucking cats are heavy. All right, exhaust is done. I'm gonna see if there's any leaks. And then take a break and do the oil pan still. Okay. Doesn't sound like it.
A little bit.
Not bad. So here's the current update on the situation. He is thankfully scraping off the oil. Old oil pan is off. New oil pan's ready to go.
Scraping off the RTV.
Scraping off the RTV from the old oil pan. Then we'll be able to mount the new one, throw some oil in it, and send it on its way.
I need there to not be extra metal.
All right, forgot to film an outro, but we are done with the car finally. Whew, let me clean that up. Not much better. We are done with the car finally. One of the bolts had stripped, so we had to pick up a helicoil kit for the oil pan. Got that done. Put oil in it. Doesn't leak. Topped off the coolant. Time to go drop it off to her. But we are all done with this. Tip: don't work on cars. It's not worth it.